a lot of people have fluid, a buildup of fluid. I didn't have that much fluid. And it seems like all the people I know, a lot of us have different symptoms. Some is with fluid. I had a big weight loss in just a matter of a few months. I couldn't eat. It's not that I didn't have an appetite, but after I ate, I was so uncomfortable, very bloated. I was tired all the time. I had the sweats. I thought, I remember being at work and thinking, I just would be sweating so, and everybody else would be cold. That was a sign of it. I just felt lousy, and it just kept getting worse. And then like I'd go for a test, and then I'd go back to my doctor, and in 2 weeks I would have different symptoms. It just kept getting worse and worse, and mine had spread to my gallbladder. So I thank God that mine did, because that's if they had not taken the gallbladder, because time is of the essence.